Hello YouTube, Lonely Entrepreneur here, featuring One Step Master Affiliate. Basically I'm here, I'm on my Facebook, and you definitely can find me here if you need any help with drawing traffic to your internet sites. As you can tell, I got a few videos up, and I'm about to really mention some good programs that I have been working with for the past few weeks that has been getting me a lot of success. I mean, like, no problem. My name is Orlando Curtis, but you can call me the Lonely Entrepreneur, and I'm on my journey to being the top affiliate of the nation. So I need y'all to stay focused and stay tuned, because I'm about to tell you about a system called Power Lead System. And what is a Power Lead System? So if you stay tuned, don't forget, but I just want to go ahead and tell you, hit that subscribe button. You gonna want to know it. Hit the subscribe button right at the left side, on the left side of me, but it's on probably the right side of you when you're looking at the screen. But yes, this is a program I've been on lately. It's called Power Lead System. Now this system does everything for me. I'm a gold member right now, as you can see right here, gold member completed. And this program right here, you can make money 3 to 4 different ways. And they actually train you. And if you can see right here, you got training, PowerVIP.club, that's the diamond. You gotta be in the diamond. Now, this right here, you can promote. You can promote any business. What I mean as in ClickBank, Max Bounty. You can even CJ Affiliate, JV Zoo, and those are some of the ones that. But there's plenty of more out there that you can advertise from or try to promote for. But this one right here, this one changed everything. I'm telling you, all I did was run a leak. Like, I just was testing out this system, and I ran traffic to their link and picked up some contacts, just like no problem. I'm talking. I don't have to go to none of them autoresponders. I already have the information right here, right in my face. I can send out them all day long. But this just look at this website. Look, it even shows you. Look, your leads, prospects, customers. So basically, what we work on the leads first, okay, and then we draw the traffic. When we draw the traffic, see, they just tell you, oh, do this, oh, make a funnel. Well, this program right here, you can build your own funnel right off this program. Or you can use one of their pages. You can use one of their opt-in pages. And I promise you, just if you go to the training here, look, let me show you the training. Training, I'm talking about, it has you steps on how to make a YouTube channel, how to get the most subscribers, how to draw a lot of attention to your links. Like, look, it got 8 modules. You get what I'm saying? Not only that, it got topics. You can go right here to topics. You got banners. And this is just advertising for their company. But if you want to advertise for, say, ClickBank, for example, and you want to draw attention to a weight loss niche, but you can do any niche. This system, what I'm trying to tell you, will draw you so much attention that you will not be able to even handle all the emails and all the prospects that come to your site. So if you like and you want to learn more on this power lead system, if you go right down there to the bottom in the description, because you have to watch this to the first. If you go to the bottom, we have another video, a bonus video, that gives you more understanding on the power lead system and how you can make money each and every day with the power lead system. And I'm telling you, like, you're on that training. Like, You know how most of these affiliates, they will charge you for it. Like, look, you can even email text. Look, send a campaign, add campaign, view, Gmail. Look, Gmail direct send. I can just turn my whole Gmail. Look, okay, well, let's talk about like the website. You know what I'm saying? You can make your own domain. Look, promote, generate. Look, traffic generation online. Go right there. Guess what it shows? Oh, it shows you text messages. It shows you email swipe, things of that nature. But these are just some things. Like I said, if you really serious about this, you want to know more in detail about our Power Lead system, press the link in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment. Thank you.